In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Notion aesthetic. Whether you're planning to enhance your workspace or just want to make your notes more visually appealing, everyone can benefit from a little guidance in organizing their digital notebooks. So, let's dive right in and explore the many ways to give your Notion setup a personal and aesthetically pleasing touch. First, let's talk about how callouts can transform your Notion pages. Callouts are excellent tools for improving the visual hierarchy of your content. They help in highlighting important details by encasing them in a distinct format, making the key points pop out and catch the eye immediately. You can customize these callouts by changing their background color or adding icons, lending them a personalized touch that aligns with your aesthetic preferences. This brings attention to the information you don't want your eyes to miss. Next up is the power of color schemes. Choosing the right color palette is an effective way to ensure consistency and cohesion throughout your Notion workspace. Consider what kind of mood or theme you would like to convey. Are you drawn to calm, muted tones, or are you leaning towards vibrant, energetic colors? Properly chosen colors can bring harmony and uniformity to your pages, creating a seamless experience for both you and anyone you might share your designs with. Crafting a memorizable title for your workspace is another subtle, yet impactful way to improve aesthetics. With a catchy and meaningful title, your Notion pages can immediately convey the purpose of your content. It not only looks tidy and polished but also helps in easily locating the right document when you're browsing rapidly. The aesthetic appeal of your Notion pages significantly depends on imagery too. Adding a well-thought-out Notion cover image at the top of your page can set the tone and energize the entire layout. Choose a picture that resonates with your content and overall theme. This not only adds visual stimulation but can also reflect your personal taste or the essence of what your page is about. Adding pretty, aesthetic icons to your Notion is also a fantastic idea for beautification. Icons can break up sections of text and bring character to your pages. They offer a fast visual reference for sections or key pieces of information, allowing users to navigate effortlessly through your workspace. And don't forget to turn your images into beautiful galleries. This is especially useful if you want to showcase a collection of images in a manner that's both organized and visually striking. It adds to the streamlined look of your Notion and makes viewing a group of images both enjoyable and efficient. Now, moving on, respecting how you manage paragraphs is crucial. Proper paragraph management can make your read much easier on the eye. Keep paragraphs succinct and separated to maintain content readability and avoid overwhelming the viewer with large blocks of text. Finally, arranging your blocks side by side can make the best use of space. It provides a balanced look, enabling you to display more information without the need to scroll too much. With this approach, you ensure all the sections are both accessible and elegantly presented. By implementing these tips, you're sure to transform your Notion workspace into something not only functional but also beautifully personalized. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing!